All right, so in this little tip, we're going to go over not a Limo Anywhere specific tip, but more of an overall general tip. Now, you'd be surprised how often I teach or suggest to someone to use MultiTabs in Limo Anywhere, and they've not thought to use them to save time and manage Limo Anywhere efficiently. Now, for me, I work in Limo Anywhere every day, all day. And that's not an exaggeration. And you won't believe how many tabs I have open at any given time. It saves me so much time and makes me more efficient when I need to update reservations or research something, or view data from accounts or company resources, running reports, etc. So in this little video snippet, let's go over some uses that I and you should use every day. First, if you don't know how to open a link or a section in a new tab, it's as easy as clicking the middle scroll button on a mouse. Now you can right click and select open link in new tab. You can also Control Alt left click to open new tab. Now that's Control Option left click for Mac users. But for me, I prefer the middle scroll button on the mouse, as it's as easy as one movement, click. But that's totally up to you, your preference. For Mac users, middle clicking can be set up, and you can find instructions online how to do that. Now, MultiTabs, you can use this on reservations. Let's say you have several reservations that you need to view or edit, and you need to do that fairly quickly and manage those. So I have these 5 reservations here. I'm just going to open up all 5 of these in a different tab. And now you'll see 5 tabs are open for each reservation. I can go in here, make my changes, view it, do whatever I need to do, save it, close that tab. Do the same thing with this one, close that tab, and so on and so on. So that way I know what I've touched, I've edited, and I know what's next in line. You can also open up different sections of LA using the MultiTabs. So let's say you're in a reservation and you need to view the account. So let's go ahead and open up the account section in a new tab, and let's search for that account. I can open up this account, view it, edit it if I need to, and go back to the reservation. Now I can switch back and forth if I needed to. Lastly, as most of you may know, we recommend keeping your dispatch open at all times on a separate tab. So this way you can keep the dispatch grid open, you can keep track of your rides there because it refreshes, and then do work in other parts of the system using other tabs. So if I needed to go to the reservations, or I need to run reports or anything like that, I can do that in separate tabs and always come back to my dispatch screen that's going to refresh. Now, this is a little bit of a disclaimer because not all links or buttons in LA are functional to open in a new tab, but most are. So use this to your advantage to help you maneuver through LA all day, every day, like me. Hopefully this is something that will benefit you, and maybe you learn something to help you use Limo Anywhere more efficiently and save you some time. Thank you very much.